Ha ha ha. Hello, people. If you're like me, you're always looking for things to draw on, right? So today, I'll answer your question. How good is the Ikea Mala paper roll? Alright, I've done two quick sketch on it, and let's see if it's worth your buck of money. So first of all, this is 54 Hong Kong dollars, so it's around $7 in the US. So let's look at my setup. So this is the thing, and then this is the tag for the actual paper roll, and it comes with this stand as well. You could if this suits you, you could buy this, but I think it's not necessary. It's a bit tall for my table. So this is my setup. So I just put it on top of my desk, and then I just roll it down, and then I hold it with tape, right? And yeah, and I did one ink wash drawing and one excuse me, and one charcoal pencil drawing on it. So this is the charcoal drawing, right? For the charcoal, I like the paper pretty much because it's not white. Because white always kills my eyes because white reflect too much light, right? And there's a good texture to it, just enough resistance for a good drawing experience, and it's not too smooth, right? Because I tried really smooth paper, your pencil really slips, right? So this is just the right amount of texture to hold the pencil, and also it takes tones really well. And as you can see, or you can see the HD video also in my list of the live drawing if you're interested. And you can also hear the sound of the paper, right? It also sounds really nice. All right, and yeah, and it also shows really well on sharp edges and soft edges. And there's a little texture to it, as you can see here on the shading, a little paper-like texture which feels really good. So for the pencil charcoal review, I think this paper is about above average, all right? And you get 30 meters of it for $7. And this is, I did a ink as well, and the video is also in my list if you're interested, the real-time video. This is really good paper for ink drawings, for ink brush drawing. Usually the paper I tried here is quite dark as well, but the real thing isn't that dark. It shows a larger variation of tones than other paper. Also, the texture is just right, and provides you that control of thin and thick lines, right? Because these lines you could do pretty thin, right? This is the same brush, right? And also you could do huge brush strokes, right? It allows you to have that control quite easily. So this is actually the best paper I've inked on so far, which isn't mean a lot. I just started inking a while ago, but still pretty good for the bang for your buck. So overall, I say this roll of paper, it's extremely good for ink brush drawing, right? And above average for pencil drawing, if that's your thing. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good product, and definitely worth the buck. So if you're looking for paper to ink on, look no further. This is your choice. Disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just trying to look for good paper to practice my ink on, right? Because I plan to be very good on inking by practicing a lot, right? Like Bruce Lee once said, right? He fears a man that practice one kick 1 million times, right? I'm gonna study skulls 1 million times, so Bruce Lee would be scared of me, right? That's my idea. So that's it for today. If you're interested on the original, if you're interested in the original posts and also the live showing videos, the link is below. If not, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.